With UBA Internet Banking, you can now initiate and complete multiple transactions at once. To get started, log into ubagroup.com. Log in to Internet Banking. Click on Initiate Multiple Transfer on the quick links. Select your account and also select account to transfer to from beneficiary list. Please note that you should have previously saved and validated beneficiaries to enter multiple transaction beneficiaries. Then you can proceed to fill the details on as many payments as you want to make, with the maximum being 30 payments per transaction. Confirm your transaction details. Then input your secure pass or your one-time password and click Submit. You will be notified once your transaction is complete.